Hi viewers, welcome to my video. Today we are going to explain how to upload videos in YouTube channel. First we sign in YouTube channel and then we are going to look one icon here, the create icon, just pick to that one, then it's one more icon, upload video, we have to pick that one. So now we need to select the file, that's why we have to pick select files. Then we need to locate the videos from our desktop or mobile. So I'm going to locating the files. So file right now uploading, so we need to give the topic here. So I'm giving how to upload videos to YouTube. And then we have to give the description. The description and title should be matched with our videos. And then we have to select the thumbnail. So my thumbnail, I need to locate that one. So here it is. So I uploaded. Upload videos in YouTube step by step. Yeah, this is my thumbnail. So playlist. I'm going to select YouTube basic. Okay, and then I'm going to select here second one. No, it's not made for kids because it's not for kids, that's why. So after that, age restriction, it's automatically selected. Once we selected, it's not for kids. After that, show more. If we go, yeah, here we need to add more tags, like we have to make more tags. It's related to videos. And after that, language and caption certificates. Video language, if you want, you have to select the video language, otherwise if not required, leave as it is. Caption certificate, you have to select the first one, so I have selected that one. And recording date and video location, if you want, you select, or otherwise leave that one. And license and distribution, I have selected standard YouTube license. And category, I'm going to select this as a education because I'm teaching to others. So here I select command and ratings, second one. Okay, I'm going to select next. Yes, monetization, I'm going to on here. Then I need to give done. Yes, monetization is on now. So next one is AB suitability. This one I'm going to select none of above, and I'm going to select submit rating. So I'm going to give next. So video element, here add an end code, add cards and subtitle. I will add separate videos for add and end screen and art cards, but the add subtitles, it's very critical, so that we don't want to see that one. If it is required, we will look at that one later. So I'm going to give next. So this is a check. Checks means here copyright checks and ad suitability checks. It is already given green tick mark, so it's no issues on that one. So next we will give. So here visibility, I'm going to give publish because we need to publish the videos. Once I done that, so now we have to give publish button. This is our video we uploaded. Here it's showing us public, here monetization is showing us on, date when we published, views also here it's showing. This is the method we are going to upload the YouTube videos. Thank you for watching my channel and my videos. Yeah, bye bye.